Hi everyone. So children, let's start with the English Bal Bharti Wonder Workbook, Standard 3rd. So children, before starting this, I want to ask that we had completed this chapter. So for good explanation, I will read again the poem. A pretty game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hiding and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they meet to say goodbye, and lo, I rainbow, a rainbow spanned the sky. So, children, recently only we had completed this chapter lesson by reading and hard words. We were able to learn this poem, but now we have also some questions, so we have to complete these also. So, children, before starting this, I will give a brief summary about this poem. There is a sun and cloud who are chasing each other by playing a hide and seek game. As they both of them are saying goodbye, on that time the formation of rainbow take place. So children, let's start with first poem, unit 1. First poem, A Pretty Game. Formative evolution. Oral work. So children, these are oral questions, so we will talk about in oral only, not we will write it. Answer the following questions. A. Which traditional game do you play? So children, traditional game is the game which are played in the past time also. So children, we have to relate the answer with our book. So the sun and the cloud both were playing hide and seek game. So we will write that the hide and seek game was an traditional game which we play. Okay. Then second question, how do you play hide and seek? So children, I knew that both of us know how to play hide and seek. Children, in hide and seek there are many players, but there is a diner one who give dine by counting the numbers, and that time the children go and hide beside something. So the diner have to find that child. So any one of them had find, so that he become a diner. Same case in this question. So C part. Can you guess the game that cloud and the sun play during rainy season? So children, we had read that sun and cloud both were chasing, but they were playing hide and seek game. So same answer is for this C question. Next question, D. Have you ever seen a rainbow? So children, I had rarely see the rainbow. You can use your own opinion in the form of yes and no. Okay children. Next question. E. What color do we find in a rainbow? So children, which color you find in the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. This color you found in a rainbow. So we have discussed this. So we will start with the fill the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The. There is a blank which we have to fill. So already I have filled it. In this, you have to refer your book and find each of the words. So I have find for you. So let's start. The sun and the rain played, hide and seek together. Yes, children. Then next, B. There is blank, so we have take a refer of book. Is there you found any capital A? Yes, there is capital A. Is it capital A? Yes. There is blank. This is the blank word. And there is spanned the sky. Spanned the sky. So this word we have to fill it in that blank. So I filled for you. There is rainbow. A rainbow spanned the sky. So let's start with classwork. First, complete the following. A. The 7 colors of a rainbow are. So children, what about the colors of rainbow? Recently only we had discussed that red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This color are found in the rainbow. Yes, children. Then next question. B. The sun and the rain chase each other from. So children, in this same, the sun and the rain, is it? The sun and the rain chase each other from. So children, we have to find the word chase. Is it chase? Yes. So you can see chase each other from. Chase each other from. So the sentence will be not exactly. You can find each is missing, other from. So we have to put this sentence in that blank. So like this we have to frame a answer. So same we had done in this. The sun and the rain chase each other from his hiding place. Okay children, next page. Second, answer the following questions. A. When did the sun and the rain play hide and seek? So children, when did the sun and the cloud or rain were playing and hide and seek? The answer is that the sun and the rain play in fickle weather. This is the answer. The next, B. When did the rainbow appear in the sky? Answer. when sun and the rain meet to say goodbye and rainbow span in the sky. So children, question was asked that the rainbow appears in the sky. Okay, when did the rainbow appears in the sky? So rainbow, when is rainbow is found in the sky? When the sun and ray meet to say that goodbye, then only the rainbow is found na. Okay, next, third, construct and write your own sentence using the following words. So A, fickle. What do you mean by a fickle word? Fickle is a word for a light color. So I frame a sentence. So check. Color of clothes are so fickle. Okay, okay. B, chaste. Chaste mean when you play football, you found that you are running behind your friend to catch the ball. So you are chasing the child or your friend for catching the ball. Same case, I have written some sentence. Children chase the car. Okay. C, spanned. Spanned means something get spread. So I frame the sentence, the rubber of hairband get spread. Okay. Next, fourth, using the dictionary of find the meanings of the given phrase and match the pair. So we have to use the dictionary and find its meaning and make a phrase and match their pairs. So in column A, column B, and answer. So in both of these are for our hint only. We have to give our answer in this part. Okay. So weather forecast. Weather forecast is the thing in which the forecast of a weather is given before the weather condition. So the same meaning had been given in this second sentence. Second, prediction of weather for next few hours. So they are taking a prediction before the sudden change in the climate, before a next few hours. Okay, so A part, it is second one. Yes, it is A part, second one. So A second. B, weathercock. Yes children, weathercock is a pointer to show the direction of wind. So children, it is a type of instrument which is set on the top of house to check the direction of wind. Okay children, so B1 answer is third. So we have written B third. C, weather beaten. So weather beaten is a affected exposure of weather. Okay, so C fourth. So we have written C fourth. Then D, weather port. It is a type of plywood. So which is used for the bottom of a door to keep the rain out. So same D first. So we have written D first. Fifth, using the dictionary, select the phrase given in the box and fill the blanks in the shown meaning. So same in this, we have to use the dictionary and the phrases are in the boxes. So we have to find its meaning and put in front of it. So there, what are the words? Skyscraper, skylight, skyrocket, and skyline. So A, window in the roof. So children, window in the roof. That skylight. Skylight is a thing which is like a window which are set on the roof of the tower. So we have written skylight. B, outline of hill or building. Okay, it is a top heighted, that's why it is called as skyline. So we have written skyline. C, cost rising steeply. So skyrocket. So skyrocket is a rising steeply. So we have written skyrocket. Is it? D, very tall building. So children, for very tall building we are writing skyscraper. Okay, skyscraper means a high building which, which is very tall. So we have written skyscraper. So children, this both of thing, this and this, is for your homework. Before that, I have to explain this. Write 8 sentences on rainbow season. So children, we had read the poem about a pretty game. So in that, how the rainbow is formed and how the rainbow season is it. So the whole thing you have to write in 8 sentences about a rainy season. Then activity. Collect the picture of your favorite game in your activity book. Write a few lines on it. So children, what is said that you have to collect a picture of favorite game, which game you like. So children, actually I choose football. So what I will do, that I will wrote about my favorite game, that football is very good game. There is ball which we have to kick the ball. So this many things you have to wrote you in your class notebook. So children, that's for the today. Thank you.